Hi everyone, hope you're having a great day. Today I prepared green pea soup for you. This soup is amazing. You really have to try it. You only need very few ingredients. If you have onion, yellow onion at home, if you have a potato and you have green peas in the freezer, you can make this soup and it's really delicious. So if you are interested in how I made this, please continue watching. Thank you for liking this video and thank you for subscribing to my channel. We're having 1 or 2 recipes every week and it's mostly food that it's made from scratch and something that's simple and that tastes delicious. Thank you for watching. Take care. So for the green pea soup, put small piece of butter into the pot. And saute for approximately 3 minutes. After 3 minutes we will add some garlic in. Add 1 clove of garlic chopped up and continue sauteing for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes add 2 small potatoes cut up and add water. Increase the heat, add vegetable bouillon, 1 heaped teaspoon for now, add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And once the potatoes come to a boil, cook them for 20 minutes. Whilst the potatoes are cooking, take a baguette and cut it to small pieces. After 20 minutes, add the frozen green peas. So to this amount, I've added 4 cups of the green peas. So you see I have a good amount in there. And I'm gonna continue cooking for another 10 minutes. So now I added the green peas into the soup. I'm gonna put the cut bread in a bowl. I will add a small amount of salt. I will add some pepper. And now I will add some olive oil. And I will mix it. I have a lid for this, so let me put it on. And now it's ready to be put on a pan. Put the croutons in the pan. And we're gonna make them until they have a nice brownish color. This is the red color for the croutons. So now we're gonna blend everything together. So now everything's nicely blended. We're gonna finish the soup by adding some heavy cream in. So let me taste it now. If you guys like green peas, this is absolutely stunning. I'm gonna add a little bit of the garlic infused olive oil and add the croutons. And this is it, my green pea soup. As you saw in the video, it is super simple. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.